Hello family, welcome back to my channel. My returning subscribers, thanks so much for always tuning into the channel. And if you are new watching any of my videos for the first time, that means you're new. Please go ahead and hit subscribe button below. Also turn your notification bells so that you'll be notified anytime I drop a new video. So guys, in this today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to do lovely kinky and to make it look natural. This is the hair I'll be using. Is Rosemary. Can you see guys? So all what you need to do is just to remove it from the pack, then you trim the excess one as in the tip, so that it will make it look natural. Can you see? So after that, you just go ahead and you begin to twist the hair. So this particular one, I'm using box braid method as in to achieve this lovely kinky. So guys, watch carefully and you guys will love the outcome of the video. Can you see guys? So you braid it using box braid method. So when you get to the tips, I'll show you guys how I achieve this lovely knotting. So if you want it to look natural and you don't really want it to be obvious that you added something to it, so you just go ahead and you roll it the way I'm wrapping it. Can you see guys? So you wrap it to the front, then you take it to the back. Can you see the way I'm wrapping it? Just take your time, watch from the beginning to the end. Can you see? So when you go back to the tip, you roll it, you knot it very well to avoid it from losing. Can you see guys? So after when you are done knotting it, you just use your palm to lock it very well. Can you see? You lock the whole hair, you lock the body to make it look bouncing. Can you see? That's how you keep going with this lovely kinky. Can you see? Please, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Also share this video to your friends and family. Sharing is part of caring. And if you have any hairstyle in mind that you want me to do tutorial on, please let me know in a comment section and I'll be glad to upload your requests. Can you see guys? So when you wrap it to the front, you wrap it back to the tip, then you knot it. Can you see? Knot it very well so that it will not loose. Then you use your hand to lock it. Can you see? So that's how you keep doing to the kinky. Can you see? And these are the one we've done so far. Can you see? Then you trim the excess one at the tip away so that it will look natural and look beautiful. Can you see guys? This is natural hair. Make sure you wash the hair before you achieve this lovely braid. Can you see? So make sure you grip the roots very well. If you wish, you can use eco styling gel, but this particular one I'm not using any eco gel. I just want to show you guys how to achieve this lovely kinky without using any gel and the roots will still be neat. Can you see? Make sure you grip the roots very well. Then you twist to the left if you want to achieve bouncing kinky. Can you see? So now when you get to the tip that you need to add to the braid, this is how you join the braid together. Can you see? So when you add the kinky, you roll it very well, the both sides, then you begin to twist. Can you see guys? See how neat the kinky is looking. So we're almost done with this lovely kinky braid. This is the last one I'm doing here, and for this particular one we achieve center parts. Make sure your center is equal. Can you see guys? So you grip it very well as in the roots. then you braid like 2 inches before you begin to twist. Can you see? Make sure you twist it very well. Twist to your left, and if you want you can twist to your right, but to me I prefer twisting into the left because it make it bounce. Can you see, guys? So when you are done twisting the hair, you just go ahead and you trim the excess kinky at the tip, just to make it look natural. Can you see, guys? So take your time while you are adding another kinky so that you'll be able to twist it together. Can you see? I love this kinky because it's washable. You can carry it more than 2 months, and the kinky, the extension is also reusable. You can reuse it just for you to wash it, then you treat it before using it some other time. So guys, can you see? I'm almost done. This is the last one here I'm doing. So when you are done, you just go ahead and you trim it very well, the tip. Then when you are done trimming it, you just go ahead and you apply your sheen, your mousse. You apply mousse all over the hair, then you use your hand to lock it very well so that the kinky will bounce very well the way you want it. So after that, you apply Nova spray, oil sheen to make it shine. Can you see, guys? Make sure you lock it very well with your hand so that the bouncing aspects will come out very well. Can you see? So you apply your ocean, and that's all. This is the final look of the kinky. Thank you so much, guys. Let me know if you guys love the video, and if the video is helpful, please go ahead and give the video a very big thumbs up. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Also share to friends and family. Thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate every one of you here, and I will see you in my next tutorial. Bye bye. I love you all.